shone so bright. He is my guiding light. He kept me with his might. My soul has taken flight.
Today we will be discussing the benefits of almond oil on hair. Almond oil contains magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help feed and nourish the hair for hair growth. Almond oil also strengthens the hair by preventing hair breakage and hair loss. It also adds shine and thickness to the hair strands as well. Almond oil can moisturize the scalp, soothe irritation, and prevent dry, flaky conditions. It also has antibacterial and fungicidal properties that can help balance yeast that causes dandruff. But wait, there's more. It also can help with damage prevention. Almond oil can prevent dry, itchy scalps, and it makes it easier to clean the dandruff from the scalp. Also, almond oil can nourish your hair, smooth your hair cuticles, and improve the shine to your hair. So why do we use it? Well, we at Blessed Tresses choose almond oil because it is rich in vitamin B7, also known as biotin, which helps keep your hair healthy. It also contains vitamin E, which can help with damaged hair and split ends. To learn more about the oils we use or to purchase products, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or go to our website that's listed in the bio. Thank you for watching.